Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Glamour Ellen. If you're new here, welcome to my channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. To all my subscribers, thank you guys so much for always watching my videos and at the same time leaving me an awesome comments. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Alright, in today's video, I am participating in an open collaboration of Mental Health Awareness COLLAB 2021 that hosted by 8 amazing ladies. And this one is actually originally hosted last year by Candy of DIY Design by CCW. This is my very first participation in collaboration, and this is very special to me. I will talk about that later, but I would like to say thank you to Candy for inviting me to be one of her co-hosts in this special collaboration. Alright everyone, let's get this started. Alright everyone, so before I'm going to show you how I decorate this table, this is the item I am using here. So this tablescape is, once again, it's a high and low. Over here, I thrifted this. This one came from Hobby Lobby. I am using Dollar Tree wine glasses. Over here, this is from Home Goods. This dinner plate right here from Pier 1. And it was on clearance. Over here, this is from Home Goods. I will be using Z Gallery napkin. I am using a at-home runner. This one came from Walmart. And here's the only new item I'm using in this special occasion for Mental Health Awareness COLLAB. This one came from At Home. Alright? Alright everyone, so this open collaboration are hosted by 8 amazing creators, and we are the host, Candy of DIY Design by CCW, JaziGreen Décor Style, Stacy of Design and Style with Stacy, Tammy of Glam Queen of DIY, Debby of Debby Bubbles, Eryka of Love is the Main K, D of Designer's Love, and myself, Glamour Ellen. So in this special collaboration, we asked to use a color of green in a shade of green color because this year, that's the color of mental health awareness. In my challenge, I decided to do a tablescape, which is I'm passionate about. And this tablescape, I dedicate this one to my former client, which I used to work with the mental disabilities people. And I used to take care of him. Unfortunately, he already passed away, and I'm really, really sad. At the same time, I miss him. Greg is one of those clients that it is very, very nice person. Even though he cannot talk, but I know that he understands what I'm saying and he always listens to me. He was already, I believe, 86 years old. He died because of pneumonia, and he has no immediate family, so I was very close to him, and I treat him as my grandpa. Since I have not seen my grandpa, even though when I was still a child, I haven't had a chance to see him, as he already passed away. To be honest, guys, when I made this tablescape, it was very heavy for me because my personal experience with Greg is tough. and I am the one who brought him in the hospital. At that time, it's snowing like crazy, and I have to drive my car, and my car is not safe to drive in the snow. And over there, I see it's really hard for him. He tries so hard to fight for his life, but he did not make it, and I see it with my naked eye when he lost his life. So this tablescape is really hard for me to do this, but Greg, my tablescape, I dedicated it to you. If you're there, or if you're here, watching me, I hope you're okay over there in the other side. And thank you so much for all those beautiful memories with you. You are a very nice person, and you are a really loving person as well. This special collaboration is very meaningful to me because this is my first time I get exposed in the YouTube world. I participate in this collaboration when I see Candy of DIY Design by CCW posted those challenges for a good cause, and I really like to dedicate my first tablescape for mental health to those people I taken care with way back in Columbus 3 years ago. My tablescape I made at that time, it's all Dollar Tree. Welcome to my Mental Health Awareness COLLAB 2021, and I hope you guys enjoy. Everyone, the backstory of my tablescape last year. I created a tablescape for my dining table. I always do that every once a week. And all those color that I made to the tablescape is actually the color that DIY Design by CCW's challenge, and it is the same color that the open invitation The gold orchids came from at home. The black flowers came from Hobby Lobby, same thing with the rose. My vase came from Home Goods. Over here, as you notice, I light the 2 candles, and in the middle, I did not light it up because I did it on purpose. So today, everyone, is my 1-year anniversary joining in the YouTube world, and it is my first collaboration. At that time, I only have like 8 subscribers when I decided to participate with Mental Health Awareness COLLAB 2020. Please don't forget to stop by to all those 7 amazing ladies. I will leave their channel link in my description box along with the playlist. And if you like my videos, I hope you consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the bell twice so every time I upload new videos, you will be notified. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye everyone. Be safe.